This is why your last workout program failed and how to fix it. And it's the all in or nothing mindset. So think about it. Let's talk about my friend Jorge. He starts a new fitness journey. He commits to losing 5% body fat. So he gets out the grocery store, buys all the groceries, gets a new pre-workout supplement, gets a gym membership. He's all in the first week. He's measuring everything. He's doing all his assignments. But then he gets caught up at work one day and he misses a session. And then on the weekend, because he's so working hard that he deserves dessert. And then again, he gets caught up with his friends and misses another workout on Tuesday. And then pretty soon it becomes habitual to keep missing the gym. And it's because he went 0 to 100. And the way to fix this and avoid this pitfall of going all in right away is picking one thing to focus on at a time. So if you're starting a new journey, pick one thing to commit to, right? Maybe it's cardio your first week, improving, building time in your schedule to do cardio. Or it's nutrition. You're gonna set aside time on a Sunday or Wednesday to go meal prep or order meals. Or it's your training. You're gonna schedule time to get another workout in with the trainer or go to the gym on your own. Don't go all in right off the bat. We're in it for the long run. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint. So pick one thing to improve on and get better every week. And it's Jay with 5 Star Fitness. Make sure you tag a friend and share this video if you found it useful. See you later.